Tony Sklar with bnetTV. We are here at the Wi-Fi World Summit in Barcelona 2012. I am speaking to GoFreeNet's Mr. Tom Etridge. How are you today, sir?
Very well, thank you.
Let's talk Wi-Fi. What are you doing here at the conference? Why is it so important to be involved?
I'm here to find out how to develop a business model that's based around free Wi-Fi. GoFreeNet is a company providing Wi-Fi down in Sydney. And the big question I think people are asking here is how to monetize Wi-Fi.
You are not the only person asking that question. As Wi-Fi continues to expand within the ecosystem, people are looking for new ways to take businesses into this ecosystem and make some money out of it. Do you have any thought on that? Do you know what you're going to do?
You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Well, we're hearing lots of interesting views this morning and yesterday, and I'm sure we will be for the rest of the conference. There's people talking about ad revenue models. There's existing carriers who are looking at multiplays. It's not quite clear. I think it's in the early stages of people seeing how they can actually bring some value from Wi-Fi. But I think that's also the opportunity in the market at the moment. The price per gigabyte of data compared to cellular is very low, and if you look at companies like Republic in the US, there's an opportunity there for people to develop different types of models which compete with the traditional telcos.
So I have two things to say about that. One is, do you think that the ad rev model is tired? It's just not something that is palatable to the business. It's palatable to the user. They don't care really at the end of the day. They're used to seeing ads now, but some of the CPMs and CPAs are so low, there's not really enough money there to justify, getting the business to the point where you're adding in different verticals.
I think you're absolutely right. I think one of the things we're learning is that the user experience is crucial to usage. If the user experience is degraded by the advertising, people are just not going to use that service. So if you're working on a current cellular 3G network, you're getting data at a reasonable pace. If somebody starts sticking ads on your Wi-Fi model, you might say, well, look, I don't want to get that ad, and I don't want to get your Wi-Fi anymore. I'll just use my 3G a bit slower. I'm happy.
Yeah, and then sort of the follow through to that question then is, do you think that the idea of even just getting online with any device at this point in today's society is just it shouldn't be a charge for service?
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. GoFreeNet, as you suggest.
Weird. That's strange how I lined that up, but okay.
Is based around the premise that the internet should be free, and that is what we're seeing. I think in the US at the moment. If you look at the number of people that are moving from a charging hotspot to a free hotspot model, it very much supports the case that in the future the internet is going to be expected by consumers to be free.
Does it inevitably dictate, is it inevitably dictated by any sense of regulatory body that the internet should be an essential service?
Regulated by other bodies, I'm not sure.
The idea that there are parts of the United States where certain governments have said, hey, listen, the internet is an essential service, we have to provide it for free.
I think the government should be involved. There's no reason why they're not. If you look at their total spend on infrastructure projects, why shouldn't they be the people who are providing free internet to people? It's it can become a public utility possibly if they're involved. Should it be something like like you get gas piped to your home and you get water piped to your home? But certainly, I think governments are and they should be involved in the process.
Tom, thanks for taking the opportunity. Good luck with GoFreeNet, and I hope to get a chance to see it in action in the future.
Thank you very much.
Speaking with Tom Etridge of GoFreeNet here at the Wi-Fi World Summit, I am Tony Sklar with bnetTV. Excellent.